Well, hello, Legal Shield family. This is Patrick Shaw here, and I want to share with you a simple, effective, and easy way to share the Legal Shield story. Not only the membership, but the opportunity as well. And I actually got this strategy from Mr. Jeff Bell, our CEO, and I tried it. The afternoon after I heard about it, I got into a young lady's Uber car. Her name was Stacy, and I was shocked about how incredibly easy it was to share the opportunity with her. Of course, we had a delightful conversation about her life, her background. She's 29 years old. She had her master's degree. She's looking for looking forward to an opportunity to go work in Washington. And I said, well, are you keeping the career options, the financial options open to make a little bit of extra money? And like most people, she said yes. And the next thing I did is I asked her, hey, do you run into people who have any kind of legal situations? They get traffic tickets, or they need a will, or they might want to talk to an attorney, or they have a landlord-tenant issue, and they're maybe telling you about something. And she said, well, yeah, sometimes. And I said, well, we have a simple app. And I showed it to her. So I have all the Legal Shield apps in one file on my phone right there. So if I click that button, you'll see they all come up. Now, the app I showed to Stacy was the Ask Legal Shield app. So I opened it up very quickly, and I said, this will allow you to give an app to people in your car if they ever have a situation where they might be able to use an attorney. Now, most of us have said to somebody before, hey, you should get this app. You see, that's easy to do. Hey, get this app. So I told Stacy, if somebody has a situation, all they have to do is get this app, and they can ask questions. And when they ask that question, whatever it may be, they can type the question in the box, but there'll always be a little link that says become a member. And Stacy, what that means to you is you can be paid as much as $100 the next day on a $20 membership. Because if a free app doesn't solve their problem and they need an attorney to write a letter or make a phone call or represent them for a traffic ticket or whatever life may bring them, and they buy our membership, then you can be paid. And all you have to do is share this app with them. She's like, wow, that's awesome. She got really excited because it was so simple. And then I said, well, Stacy, it's even better than that. Let me show you how you'll share that app with people. And then I showed Stacy Prospect by Legal Shield. I said, Stacy, I'm going to send you some information. And I went up to the top right-hand corner of the Prospect app, and I put Stacy's name in. And I asked for her permission. I said, listen, I'm going to send you a 10-minute video or less that shares with you how easy our business is and how you can generate some extra income. Stacy gave me her first name, her last name, her phone number, and an email. I put some notes in there. I hit continue, and I put her into the opportunity campaign. It was that simple. And then once I did that, I turned around and I went to contacts, and I hit Stacy's contact information, which I've changed to protect Stacy, and I hit Stacy's contact information. I went right down to resources. I hit resources. I scrolled down to hub sites, where I have all my personalized hub sites, but I went down to Ask Legal Shield, and then I hit text, and I sent Stacy a text with the link to the Ask Legal Shield app. That means when she hits that button, the app will download on her phone, and if she ever buys a membership, I'll get credit. But I was able to show Stacy how simple it is through the different apps that we have, not only for Stacy to help other people, but additionally for Stacy to share the information via one of the apps. Now, we don't know if Stacy will get started right away, but Stacy's going to receive information from me for the next 3 years. And since only one person can put Stacy's information, her email address, into the app, That means I'm going to be the person that has contact with her for the next 3 years. Now, we happened to be at our national convention, and many people had told Stacy about LegalShield, but none of them took her information. Some of them had left her a business card, but nobody made sure that they were going to continue to follow up with Stacy. I'm telling you, this is such a simple process that we can all engage in. And right now, there are 2 reasons you should get started immediately. One is Jeff Bell is going to do the Level Up training call for all of us. And that's something we can all take advantage of, but we need to get 15 opt-ins in the next few days, really. We have until the end of the month. So if I go down and click on rewards right now, you'll see there's a Level Up promotion, and it's called Level 15. So you've got to get 15 opt-ins, and you've got to do that by the end of the month. Now, I'll have mine done by the end of this week. When will you have yours done? And the second reason you should do it is you only need 4 recruits to Fast Start qualify. Be on Performance Club and have good retention, and you can win the Atlantis trip. But you need a way to talk to people every day. And I think one of the absolute best ways to talk to people are to leverage the apps that we have available and use them in conjunction with each other. It's an incredibly powerful tool. I hope you found this valuable. If you did, make a comment, please. Let people know about it. Share it, get the word out, and let's go prospect like we've never done before in LegalShield.